So we've just been to visit my sister, who's doing incredibly well for herself, incredibly successful in life, especially for her age. Just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. What a motivation in itself. And definitely one of those things where like it kept pushing me to kind of try and do better. And now I have a new career ahead of me. It's kind of a start to a new life for me, I guess. And yeah, I just can't wait. Generally can't wait. I don't know if the GoPro picks up wheelies unless you're like 12 o'clock in it, but oh, I love it. I love it how it's warmed up now. Hopefully we can hit some like fat corners and get these chicken strips off on these brand new tyres. I just love it. Like, this bike is, oh, I've fallen in love again with this bike. It's just beautiful. Like, it's amazing what new tyres and a chain tighten can do. Like, I'm in heaven. And I'm in such a positive mindset as well. Like, oh, I don't know. I can't talk right now. I can talk right now, but you get the idea. I'm just in such a good mindset right now. I don't know what to say. There's 2 lanes here. There's 2 lanes here, mate. Seriously? Fucking hell.